Yeah, and it looks like we are live. Um, yeah, hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
It is a little bit early, so I'm gonna give people a couple minutes to trickle in, but definitely let us know if you can hear us nice and clear. Hello. Hi, Eve, also West Coast. It is also 1:30 a.m. for me. Fun times. And honestly, I'm okay with kicking off this event. I mean, I'm I don't want to take up too much of your time. So, hello again, everyone. It's been a couple of minutes since our last panel. So, welcome back. And this is the last event of Dora Expo, Web Design in the AI Era. And today I am just so excited to be welcoming this amazing content creator and this just an amazing presence in the Dora community as well. Um, and today he'll be talking about empowering web design workflows with AI, a great way to conclude um, uh, our event that is literally dubbed Web Design in the AI Era. So very appropriate. So without further ado, everyone, let's please welcome Igor. Hey.
Hi everyone. My name is Igor Vensko. I'm a web UI designer. I work all the time. I work like a freelancer, worked in agencies, but right now I'm working with clients by subscription. Also, I run a YouTube channel with some tutorials about animation in Figma. And today I will share my thoughts about web design with AI and designers themselves. So let's share my screen. Yep. Okay. Uh, Today, all the time I'll tell I'm here that everyone fear. Many designers are afraid, and it's normal reaction. It means that something really worthwhile is happening. It's a human nature to be afraid of something new because thanks to fear, a human survived. And in order to survive today, web designers need to simply learn what scares them. Each each web designer today need to learn AI tool like any other design tool as they use every day. For example, in 2 years in Photoshop, I'm all the time use only lasso tool for cut out objects from background because I did not understand how pen tool works. But then I only needed 1 day to understand how it works, and today I can live without it. So I'm use pen tool every day. So same will be with AI. No one can say what will happen in a year in our field, but the changes will be for sure, and this can be stopped. One thing we can do is just, at least prepare for it. Today, AI is a powerful tool for designers and beyond, and it can be compared to the advent of Excel for accountant in the past. Uh, Once upon a time, in order to calculate huge data, it was necessary to calculate everything in calculators, and it took days and weeks. But with advent of Excel, the same task feasible the same task became feasible in a few minutes, and now it's commonplace. Same will be with AI, and to avoid being replaced, you need to do or already learn what AI can't, which is creative non-standard problem solving. And AI it's not a problem. It's just a new stage of design evolution. Honestly, even without AI, you won't last long in a design if you don't learn something new. We have new technologies, new trends, and new tools. I created website designs in Photoshop, then using Adobe XD, Sketch. Today it's Figma, and I think in next year it will be a website builder with AI. So it's it's normal, and designers have to change too. So what could change in web design? I will single out several stages. First step, it's just generated separate small sections, elements for websites, and this is already happening now. We have a lot of website builders that can do this. Step two, it's full site generation on only one request. So already under development and polishing in some website builders right now and today and yesterday and will be tomorrow. And step three, maybe in year or a couple of years, it will be full generation of the website on one request and taking into account the target audience, competition, branding creation, and ending with some usability tests, creating accounts in social media and auto posting of generated by AI graphics for targeted advertising. Now there is already separation between designers that use AI and those who do not yet. But eventually, in a few years, it will be used by all, and in the job offers, along with software and design tools, in the job offers, we will have a list with AI tools that we needed to get this job. So don't be afraid and just learn it. I have a couple pros and cons about AI in web design. So pros, it's like all stages of website creation will be simplified and accelerated. Designers with insufficient technical level can realize their ideas, like me, for example. It will be faster to work with site content like SEO text and images. We can generate any images at the request of the client. Instant idea generation working if you work in design agencies, so it's really good. And with development of website builders, right now with AI, the designers will not need programming knowledge at all. But we have, of course, cons, and this is scare me. Yeah. In addition to the basics of design and tools for creating website and interfaces, right now it's now necessary to study AI tools to be always aware not only of new design trends but also developments in AI which can be used in the work. Right now, huge competition will force designer to spend a lot of time studying AI and automating their process. And many designers constantly using AI will stop thinking themselves, which will probably lead to decrease in quality. And designer will have less motivation. One second. Yeah, right here. Designer will have less motivation to create something new. They will always be relying on AI. And the worst option for web designers is that everything will be automatic and simplified, so that any user and customer can create everything that he will need. Client can create branding, some banners for launching advertising, and as a result, most clients will not need to look for contractors for these purposes anymore. So will be so sad. Yeah. AI website builders will completely change the field of web design, but even such website builders will need designers. To be more precise, it's not designers. It's more like a specialist who use AI professionally to create a website. And perhaps they will be valued more in the eyes of clients and agencies, as they will be able to perform more tasks in the same amount of time. And I think in the end, only the idea and emotion that the project evoke will be important. The technical part will fade out into background, and designers are retraining as AI operators. It will be important now. It will be important not what you can create, but how you can describe and formulate this, what AI needs to do. And instead of creating something with their hands, it will be enough to write it or just say into your microphone. Imagine that you will no need a laptop or chair with table. You just lie in comfortable position or walk around and tell your smartphone or tablet everything you want. And website builders create full website and change it if you don't like something. Just say and it will be changed in a seconds. Brainstorming in agencies can turn into conversations with a computer. Ideas are voiced with instant changes and display on the screen. So it's very interesting. And AI will do a lot of routine work. And eventually, only pure creativity will remain without the difficulties of the technical side. But we have competition in web design, and AI really speed up workflow, namely the technical part. So clients will sooner or later realize that most of the work is not done by a designer, but most of the work not done by a person. And here's two options. First option, a designer who use AI technologies will qualify higher as this new knowledge, or clients will pay less because they know that most of the work is done not by a designer but by AI. And in this case, prices for services will fall, and in order for designers to remain at the same financial level, they will have to find more clients and do more projects. It seems to me in coming years, the competition in design will higher than ever. Using AI today, anyone can easily create, for example, banners and even websites without any knowledge in this area. A large number of people will begin to enter the profession of the designer, and we can't stop it. All we can do is adapt to change and completely retrain. And I'm not just saying talking about freelancers like me. Agencies will change too. They will have to change their approach to creating websites. Today, website builders are implementing AI to generate the entire project. And one person will be able to assemble a website, fill it with high-quality graphics and SEO text in a day. So, of course, agencies will now need huge departments of designers and developers. But it's not all that bad, because in my opinion, the global problem is that AI cannot create a radically new concept and idea. It takes information from the past, from the already existing. So at some point, an idea crisis may come. Everything will equalize. Everyone will get used to the generation of AI, and people will again start looking something new, fresh. And at this moment, creative solutions created by human will be in demand. For example, right now AI trains on images from stocks and numbers of generated images on stocks, for example, Adobe stock, is increasing. And after a while, AI will learn more from its own created generated images. And the problem is that fully generated websites will follow the same path and then become like a boring templates, will be faceless and similar to each other. And here, anyway, the human factor will be play its role. At the same time, designers will be needed to add life and some human warmth to these projects. And clients will look for artists who can create something new and different. And perhaps designers will have a new services, call it non-generated design, which will be appreciated more by clients and other designers. In any case, AI should be seen as a tool, not a substitute for the ideas that a human can offer. Most likely, clients will not care at all how exactly the website design is created, completely by a person or using AI. The main thing is that the client is satisfied and only the final result, which causes positive emotions, will be important. I believe that performance with an unusual vision and creative thinking will always be needed. So, in the pursuit of learning and using AI, do not forget about self-development. And the most important question: will AI replace the web designer? No, it won't replace. Modifies and change? Yes, definitely. It will be a big, huge transformation in the field of design, but AI is a tool that is still controlled by a human yet. And do you know when AI replaces human? When the AI itself will write prompts for us, for humans, and we will execute them without thinking. But in the meantime, let's just study and use all AI tools in our work. So good luck for all of us. And thanks for your attention.
Thank you so much, Igor, for that amazing talk. And I apologize to everyone in the chat who mentioned that there might have been a little bit of a sound issue, but thank you, Igor, for the amazing. I mean, overall, I think I could still hear a lot of it, and the slides that you made also helped a lot. But I mean, I think this is just such an amazing way to close off our event at Dora Expo. And in consideration of everyone's time too, we will we will not have a Q&A session for this event, but I want to extend just a my heartfelt gratitude to Igor and everyone here today and everyone who attended Dora Expo. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
And bye.